What is freedom? It's the open road ahead. Freedom is embracing possibilities, chasing dreams. It's breaking barriers, discovering yourself. True freedom lies within you. Embrace it, live it.
Hello friends, in this video, we will see how to make a text speech for free without a website and make a short video like this. First of all, open the Capcut app on your phone. If you don't have Capcut app on your phone, go to Play Store and install it. It is the easiest app to edit videos. Open Capcut app and first tap on New Project. Select the desired video clip to create the video. Then touch the Add button at the bottom right. Touch the audio icon from the icons shown below the video clip added in this way. Then touch Text to Audio from the icons that appear. The text box that needs to be added is displayed like this. Now, you need to add the created script to this text box. I copy the created script from the notepad like this and paste it into the text box. You can edit this script as needed. Then touch the Done button at the top. After touching the Select Voice below the text box on the More Voice in front, the Voice tab will be shown. So you choose English Voice. In this way, you can see many English voices. We can take care of a number of free voices.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead. Discovering yourself.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead. Discovering yourself.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead.
What is freedom? It's the open road.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead.
I choose this voice. Now touch the right sign and touch the next button above the text box. Then tap on Split automatically in the pop-up window that appears. In this way, you can make sure that the text is added. To enlarge the text on the video clip, hold one finger on the left side of the text and touch and drag it up on the right side. Now drag the text box to the required place. Then touch the text style from the icons below. After that, we can take care of the desired type of templates in the interface that is shown. Then you can select a font of your choice in the Font tab. You can check the style in the next tab. You can choose effects. There are plenty of free effects available in all these tabs. Then we can choose an animation that we like.
What is freedom?
Some of the texts that we have added are missing from this video clip, so the longer text needs to be broken into parts as needed. In this way, you can break the text by touching the text box and touching the Enter button.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead. Freedom is embracing possibilities, chasing dreams. It's breaking barriers, discovering yourself. True freedom lies within you. Embrace it, live it.
Now touch the export button on the right side to export the video. If you want, you can select the required resolution of this video. And touch the export button above and download the video. Now, see the final result.
What is freedom? It's the open road ahead. Freedom is embracing possibilities, chasing dreams. It's breaking barriers, discovering yourself. True freedom lies within you. Embrace it, live it.
If the video is good, then let's like it and subscribe to ID for LK YouTube channel.